solve the triangle ABC shown below. Solve the triangle ABC shown below. So we have the right angle triangle ABC, okay, with A to be 90 degrees, and then the length AB to be 35 millimeters, and then the length BC to be what, 37 millimeters. Okay, so to solve the triangle ABC means we have to find the length AC and then find the angles at point B and then the angle at point C. To solve the triangle ABC means we have to find the length AC and then find the angle at point B and then the angle at point C. Okay, all right, so let's move on with the solution. So sine C is going to be 35 over 37. Sine C, that is the opposite, which is AB, okay, 35 millimeters, over the hypotenuse, which is BC, 37 millimeters. Okay, so sine C is equal to what? 35 over 37. That is the opposite, which is AB, over the hypotenuse, which is what? BC. So sine C is 35 over 37. That is the opposite over the hypotenuse, AB over BC. I hope you understand. Sine C is equal to what? 35 over 37. And when you divide 35 over 37, we are going to get what? 0.94. I hope you understand. Sine C is the opposite, which is AB, over the hypotenuse, which is BC. And AB, the length AB is what? 35. And the length BC is what? 37. So sine C is equal to 35 over 37. And when you divide 35 by 37, we are going to get what? 0.94. I hope you understand. Okay. So now C is equal to what? The sine inverse of 0.94. Okay, C is equal to the sine inverse of 0.94, and that is going to be 70 degrees. So now the angle on point C is what? 70 degrees. I hope you understand. Okay, so let's now solve for the angle at point B. Alright, so B, that is the angle at point B, is equal to what? 180 minus 90 minus 70. I hope you understand. Why? Because the angles in a right angle triangle adds up to be what? 180. So since we have the angle on point A to be 90 degrees, and then we have calculated for the angle on point C, which is what? 70 degrees, we can only subtract the 90 and then the 70 from the 180 to get the angle on point B. I hope you understand. So the angle on point B is going to be what? 180 minus 90 minus 70, and that is going to be 20 degrees. I hope you understand. Okay, so now we have the angle on point C to be 70 degrees, and then the angle on point B to be what? 20 degrees. Okay, so let's solve for the length AC. Okay, so sine B is equal to AC over 37. Sin theta is what? The opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, so AC is the opposite, and then BC is what? The hypotenuse. So sine B is equal to AC over 37, that is the opposite side, which is AC, over the hypotenuse, which is what? BC, and the hypotenuse is what? 37. So the opposite over the hypotenuse. So sine B is what? AC over 37. So let's use change of subject to find AC. Okay, so by change of subject, AC is equal to what? Sine B times 37, and sine B is what? 0.34. Okay, times 37. So when you multiply 0.34 times 37, we are going to get what? 12.6 millimeters. 12.6 millimeters. So AC, the length AC is what? 12.6 millimeters. So that is what we have on the right angle triangle. The angle on point B is what? 20 degrees. That is what we solved, or we calculated for here. So the angle on point B is what? 20 degrees, and then the angle on point C is what? 70 degrees. Okay, point C is what? 70 degrees, and then the length AC is what? 12.6 millimeters. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to share the videos. Thank you.